na magagalang na pananalita. Filipino, magandang umaga. English, good morning. Filipino, magandang hapon. English, good afternoon. Filipino, magandang gabi. English, good evening. Good night. Filipino, salamat. English, thank you. Filipino, walang anuman. English, you are welcome. Filipino, pasensya na. English, sorry. Filipino, makikiraan po. English, excuse me. Filipino, patulong po. English, help. Filipino, pakiusap po. English, please. Filipino, mano po. English, bless. The end. Like and subscribe.